Alright, let the battle begin! Senior Division Championship. Cornejo, pass to Cornejo, wala. Foul yon. Foul, may kasamang foul. Number 7. First throw, pasok. By Cornejo, number 7. Second throw, number 7. Pasok by number 7, Cornejo. Wow, what a shot. Cornejo, pass to Cornejo for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Cornejo for 2. First free throw. Pasok ang first free throw ng 7 times champion. Second throw. Pasok. Cornejo, number 2. Cornejo, nagdadala ng bola, pass to. Wow, easy. 2 points. Cornejo for 3, wala. Nakuha ni number. Alright, Cornejo to Cornejo, easy 2 points. Malabuyok, dumidiretso. Malabuyok, wow, what a layup by Malabuyok. Cornejo for 3. Bam! Cornejo for 3. Number 16, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to, wow, 3 points. Ayun. Alright, Cornejo. Nagdadala ng bola. Cornejo for 3. Bam! Grabe, ang layo nun. Mr. Cornejo for 3. Alright, Cornejo again. Wow! Cornejo for 3. Alright, brothers to, no? Tatlong magkakapatid na Cornejo. Wow. First throw, pasok. Alright, second throw. Pasok kaya ito? Pasok, perfect.
2 points by number
Cornejo, number 7.